All right, this is a quick video on Ableton Live's 808 booms. Like these are really slept on sounds and good quality, and it has like some of the dopest effects ever, And this sound is from the Beat Tools kit. It was like an Ableton Live pack, and there's two of them. Or and the other one is there was a couple other ones, but they were from other Ableton Live sound packs, right? All right, so you're gonna start with the two-way boom. This is dope, man. Cause right here we got the filter, the cutoffs, filter reso, the drive, the glide time, and everything. Sustain, release, LFOs. Oh man, but it's dope though. I'm not gonna lie, and you could pretty much like use this like you could. This could be the go to sound for 808s because it's tailor made for anything that you want to do, right? So, all right. So first we're gonna play with the filter cutoff, and that's like pretty much standard like stuff that everybody knows. So it's pretty much like a deeper sound, right? And as you raise it, it becomes more noticeable, and then you get like a more drive. Right. So another dope thing, right, is like the glide also. You can change the glide time. So we're gonna put it down. Then we're gonna put it all the way to the top. Right. So then we got the sustain, which is at 0. Let me turn it down. So it becomes like a percussive instrument right here. So this is dope too. Then you got the release, of course. So it pretty much gives a cutoff. Then when you set it to 60, stays there. So then we're gonna play with the LFO, right? And this is where it gets fun for like dance music, pop. Yeah, so this is dope though. I'm gonna check the other one. The two-way boom with the drive. So this is more dirtier right here. This is dope. Mess with the filter, of course. Of course, we got it, but everything is the same. It's in terms of like the effects. This is the tunable boom drone. Get a lower octave. With this one, it got different stuff like the pitch, variable pitch, drum bus. That's like an Ableton effect, drum rack effect. But this is pretty much it, man. It's Dame the Real Productions. Sign off. I just wanted to put y'all up on some dope 808 booms and sounds, and because Ableton Live is not a lot of people don't really, they go to FL Studio for a lot of things and download a lot of samples, but yeah, you wouldn't really need a lot of samples with tailor-made booms, 808 sounds, so so yeah, I could get y'all a Metro Boom on. But signing off, the Dame the Real Productions. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace.